Come on now. It is time for bed.
Papa, tell us the story. Tell us your story. Just one time, please.
Alright, but then you'll go to bed. Starts many years ago. A village neighboring ours in the woods. They stole our boar. One of our riders tried to chase them down. He killed a girl in the process. That was the beginning of the feud. Walls were put up and then our rider was killed by a mercenary from another town that was hired by those who stole our boar. We could smell it roasting. Smoke rising above the treetops. That's how close they were to us. We had tried to wall, but there were wolves in the woods. And we were too late. And then the war began. A war that I was the sole survivor of.
What happened then, Papa?
We fought with our knives rusty and dull. We dismantled their siege engines. Drove our knives into the belly of the enemy, with arrows in our chests and spears in our gut. We resisted. We struggled.
Iske rauta, musta rauta, kuuman tervan polttorauta. Iske, iske.
Brother and I ran straight at the foe, straight through their lines. We became separated. I heard him fall, but I kept running. Their arrows clashed about me like many hailstones from the sky, but I ran. Their javelins crashed through the trees behind me, spearing the ground at my feet. One man stood between me and freedom, and I cut him in the throat. I fought my way to freedom